Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the Indian community in Russia at an event held in Moscow today. While interacting with them, Prime Minister referred to the visible transformation in India in the last 10 years and added that the objective of his government is to make India the third largest economy in the world in his third tenure. Prime Minister also underlined that through its committed efforts, India is making significant contribution to global prosperity as a Vishwa Bandhu or a friend to the world.
It was all excitement, warmth and affection among the Indian community in Moscow when they saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was even more special as PM addressed them for the first time in his third tenure. He lauded their contribution in enhancing the India-Russia relationship. PM referred to the visible transformation in India in the last 10 years.
अपने तीसरे टर्म में मैं 3 गुनी ताकत से काम करूंगा। और ये भी एक संयोग है कि सरकार के कई लक्ष्यों में भी 3 का अंक छाया हुआ है। सरकार का लक्ष्य है तीसरे टर्म में भारत को दुनिया की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी बनाना।
PM Modi said that India's new momentum of growth will write a new chapter in the development of the world.
सेमीकंडक्टर से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक, ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन से इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल तक और वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, भारत की नई गति दुनिया के विकास का, और मैं बहुत जिम्मेवारी से कह रहा हूं, दुनिया के विकास का अध्याय लिखेगी। आज ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी की ग्रोथ में 15% भारत कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही है।
Prime Minister noted that India, through its committed efforts from tackling climate change to meeting sustainable development goals, is making significant contribution to global prosperity as a Vishwa Bandhu or a friend to the world.
21वीं सदी भारत की सदी है। आज विश्व बंधु के रूप में भारत दुनिया को नया भरोसा दे रहा है। न्यू इमर्जिंग मल्टीपोलर वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर में भारत को एक मजबूत पिलर के रूप में देखा जा रहा है। जब भारत पीस, डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी की बात कहता है तो पूरी दुनिया सुनती है।
PM lauded the efforts of the Indian community to nurture and nourish Indian cultural traditions in Russia and share its vibrancy with the Russian people. He encouraged the Indian community to continue playing a proactive role in forging a stronger and deeper partnership with Russia. He mentioned that a decision to open 2 new Indian consulates in Kazan and Ekaterinburg has been taken, which would give further boost to people-to-people ties. With inputs from Jessica Taneja in Moscow, Raghav Kumar Jha, DD India, New Delhi.